Hi everybody. So thank you for being here, and I'm grateful that you're here. I'm grateful to be alive today. I'm grateful for everything, the abundance in my life, and I'm just grateful to be able to share this with you. Whether you have attended a Teresa Collins event, you will know I put my heart into my events. I love connecting with people, and so I never ever thought that we would be where we're at in the world with COVID, with social distancing, with wearing maps. We're wearing maps, everybody. No, we're wearing masks. And so I just wanted you to know that, like, this was something that I didn't ever really foresee, because I'm such a connection person that I like to physically hug and see you, and vice versa. But for years, the number one thing I've had people say, because we have people that come to my event, I think this is going to be my either 12th or 13th year, and they'll say, I wish I could come to your event. And they're like, it's not even the ticket cost, because it is, because I see the value in that. It's the travel cost, or the everything taken off from work. I have kids, I have a disability, whatever. And so this year we're doing Create Your Story virtually in addition, so that you can actually attend the workshops live. Now, bonus with that is each of the teachers, so there are 6 workshops. We also do bonus stuff. So and I'll be honest, this is our first year doing it live, and so if you're wanting some documentary that's going to be really, really like the edges, coolest, no, it's going to be real. It's all real. And so anything that we're doing at the event, the cameras are going to be on live, and you're going to see it all, and you're going to be able to ask questions, and we're going to be live. But the best part is that you can also be there for, like, when I do my Franklin Planner preview for the first time. You can be there when, if I'm also going to do some free things that are like PDFs and different things for only people that are at the event and who are virtually, as a thank you. So how is this going to work? So the event is going to be September 17th, 18th, 19th. So it starts on it officially starts on like a Thursday night, and we will be doing, everyone that comes in attendance is asked to bring a shirt that they will like. And we're going to start by making empowerment shirts, and where I supply everything, they just have to bring a shirt that they want to. And it's wearable, washable, it's with chalk couture, and they're ink, so we'll press them and dry them. And so obviously at home there's certain things that you could do, or you could do later, but then you're provided everything to watch us virtually, which means for the virtual kit, so not to confuse you, but I'm going to explain it. There's two boxes here. We have a few that are going online. You're going to be able to buy. You could do 2 different things if you are interested in virtual. You can go, and very, very limited, you can pay for the event, and you will get all the kits sent to you, okay? And attend live. And that is such a deal, because you're going to get the kits shipped to you. You're going to get, there's only a very limited of those, because the teachers have already done the kits. Then you could say, hey, I want the virtual only, which is also great too. You will get, every class is pre-recorded, so that if you've taken a Teresa Collins project kit, you can go and you can take the class on my website 24/7. You will have access to the event forever, okay? But you also get when you pay for that, you also get to come to the event live from your home. You get to see us teach it live. You get to see, everything. So basically you're there without physically being there. And like I said, I'm going to be doing PDFs. I'm going to be doing a lot of free stuff like as we're going through, so that you're a part of it. And if that makes sense, you'll also be included in the group. We will have a Teresa Collins, our event for virtual online on Facebook, so that you can, you know, ask questions. And for example, you may say, okay, I'm just gonna, you know, share one of my class kits is a brand new product that is being flown in for the people that buy, that are going to the kit, that are going to the event, or the people that got the option with the kits. These will not be available until probably at least another 2 months. So if you are there, you get that kit. If you purchased the kit option, you will get those kits sent to you, because there are a lot of people that unfortunately cannot be at the event. We are not allowing any more signups for the event because we are socially distancing, wearing masks, and we are spreading out in a very, very, very safe way. Like, I'm taking this very seriously, you guys. Like, I would never, ever. And so we've had a lot of people that said, hey, I am going to watch you live. I am going to ship the kits to me. And that is how that came about. So the whole virtual thing, you guys, so hopefully I'm explaining this. So for example, if you got the virtual only, which is still a great thing because you're getting classes from Irene Kwong, Simply Gilded, Ken Hess, Chalk Couture, Margie Aslett Romney, My Mind's Eye, Midge and Madge, and they're doing Echo Park. You're also getting Teresa Collins, me. And so 2 workshops from me. So that's 6 that you're guaranteed. Plus, on Thursday, we have a la carte classes that you will not get the class kits, or you can't take those unless those are bonus too. So that's not really included in the thing, but you never know what's going to happen. But I will announce this now for everyone who does virtual. You are going to be the first people. September at my event, you will be the first people to get to see the inside and anything that we have with the Teresa Collins Franklin collaboration. And I will be doing a bonus, basically, planner thing live that you will get to be at because of social distancing for anyone who's there, not there. And so that's really important. So I'm not just, it's one of those things. So what are the teachers doing right now? So we are all filming our workshops before we even go to Park City, Utah, which means I've already filmed one of my classes already. And so it is going to be up on the website, just like if you do a monthly project kit. So you can go and you can take it and you go, well, wait a minute. What if I wanted Teresa's project thing? What if I wanted, oh my gosh, Irene's kit, you guys. Oh my gosh, you don't even know. So here's the thing. The teachers, we will be sharing, and sometimes the products are exclusive to the event, so just know that. I'm really sorry, but a lot of them you will be able to get what is going. You will be able to, like, we will put links and say this is this when it's available or similar. Ken is doing the same thing. He is doing the coolest frame. That's all I'm gonna say. Ken is doing a double-sided something other. You're gonna love it. So I just want you to know that you are going to love these workshops. Sorry, a little glitch. So if we sign up for virtual, yes, there's 2 virtuals. There is a virtual that you can sign up. It's very limited. There's a virtual that you can sign up for that does come with the projects. And you guys, if you do not hesitate, if you are thinking you want to do the option that comes with the kits, I'm telling you now, it's so limited. It's so limited. So grab those. But the other virtual is you get to take the workshops, and also here's the thing. The teachers and my design team, the main design team members, are going to have a code that I'm going to give. So for the virtual, if you take completely virtual, you can get a code to save money on $10 off. And so make sure you use that code. And you can, so, and just so you know, every time, so I just wanted to do a give back for not only you, but for everyone who's sharing this. And so that would be really nice. So if you're sharing, and you know, I will tell you, like, I think the price that we did it at, the coming to the virtual for $149, I really felt like because just to be very out there, like, I pay the teachers to teach, I pay for the kits, we're doing all these things, and so you're getting so much value. Each of the class kits are at least an hour, mine are even more, and so you're getting a lot. You're getting the pre-recorded, you're getting all the how-to, plus you're getting to go to it live, and any bonus stuff and handouts and things like that. So for me, I just want you to know, like, I stand behind. I'm not just, oh, this is, you know, it's not like a money grab. I feel like I'm giving what I wanted, which is a big, hopefully we are giving you a lot of inspiration. I know we are, and that it inspires you and you feel connected. And even though you cannot be there physically, that you can be there with us. We're working really hard. I'm also like trying to get all the teachers' kits to me by September 1st. So if you buy the kit there's the option that with the limited kits, our goal is to start shipping those out September 1st. That's right around the corner, and I will be completely honest with you, I am still waiting for my shipment to come in. So there is a chance that for those of you who will get the kits, they may not make it to you by the date. So keep that in mind, that you might attend the event virtually, but you will get your kits. But you also, you know, hopefully you're very understanding with COVID-19. It has been crazy. And in some parts of the world, we just have no idea why it's taken so long. We've never experienced this. I know other people are too. So just keep that in mind, that I'm just doing, Brian, Tammy, my entire team, we're just trying to do the best we can, and we're going to have a good attitude about it, and we're going to have a great time. Hey. And that's really what it's about. I slept an hour last night, you guys. I was so excited about this, but also I knew that for me, undertaking this virtually is a lot. And I'm not doing this as a way, I really hope that those of you who want to attend my event and you feel drawn to take the event, that you know that, like, I am going to do everything possible for you to feel like, one, that you're included, that you're valued. If you have the kit option, you will be able to rewatch those videos, because the videos are going to stay on my website. The Create Your Story Teresa Collins event virtually will be a mainstay on we won't take them off. We will keep them on my website so that you can take them. And honestly, we have limited how many people can physically come to my event, from 300 and something down to, you know, so small now. And now with virtually, we cut it off. And when people, the only reason why we have any kits available, to be at all honest with you, there are people that had asked for a refund because they are going to, or they transferred, most of them transferred to next year because they wanted to be there. And I said, hey, even though we had a refund thing, that's why I even have kits to sell, is because we were sold out, and now we're not, because I felt following my heart as a business owner. I always follow my heart, and I gave refunds, and I can't anymore because obviously we're like, as of like a week or so ago, but nobody's asking for refunds. Everybody wants their kits now. A lot of people are like, whoa, I can watch it virtually. Codes will be going out like right after this live. Codes are going out. And like I said, every one of the designers and teachers have a code. You will get invited immediately. Well, I shouldn't say immediately because today could be crazy, but within the next couple of days, you may please know there will be a Facebook group for all attendees who are coming or virtually, because we want you there. I really feel like it's a connection. We need to connect more than ever, you guys. So this is the event that, even though you know, you're going to be included. Like, I don't want you to think that if you are not able to physically be there, that you're not going to be included, because you will be included. I hope that made sense. I wanted to do this video so that if people were confused, because the design team, designers teachers are going to be promoting this. To be honest, I have lost money on this event, and I don't care. To me, it's more important to connect with you. And that's the reality, and that's the truth. With COVID, it has happened, you guys. It is real, and part of me wanted to cancel the whole event, and I was like, I can't do this, you know. But then I realized that, to be honest, there are people more than ever that need this virtually. And who knows, we may do it next year. Who knows? I don't know. But like Grace and the people that are still coming, I'm telling you, it's gonna be worth it. It is going to be worth it. Like, I have so many things planned. It's so good. And for those of you who are joining live, it's gonna be amazing. And I'm just excited to bring you into, like, if you've never been to a Teresa Collins event, oh, trust me, you're getting more than you bargained for, because I believe in not only being creative, but I want to inspire you in your life. And through my projects, they're very heartfelt. Through my planner, they're very purposeful. Just like I said yesterday, if you missed my live, like, what is worthy of your time? What is worthy? And this will be worthy of your time, and how you're spending your day and the things that you're doing. And I love you. Bye, guys.